Printing in healthcare is broken. Picture this. A doctor urgently needs to print a patient's discharge summary, but the hospital's printer is down. Again, the IT team scrambles to fix driver compatibility issues, while frustrated staff resort to workarounds, leading to security breaches and compliance risks. In healthcare, printing isn't just convenience, it's mission critical. Every delay or failed print job can impact patient care, increase operational costs, and cause compliance issues. Even though Epic EMR is widely used, printing from it can be a headache. That's where we come in. Healthcare Print Suite works with any printer, so you don't have to worry about compatibility issues. Whether you're at a desk or on the go, you can print securely without the usual downtime or risks. In healthcare, every moment counts. Whether it's a critical test result or patient prescriptions, you need the right tools to get things done without delay. Healthcare Print Suite is reliable, secure, and always on because patient care can't wait.